I often used to draw to people when I was explaining, how we need to structure our adjustments. I would talk about when we have an adjustment today here, Rob, what's going to happen is your body's going to immediately begin to release some tension. But somewhere in around 24 and maybe 48 hours after that, what's going to happen is your body's going to want to go back to how it has always been. Now, if I was a dentist and I wanted to straighten your teeth, we'd pop braces on them, we'd lock them on there. We can't do this with your spine because we need to keep you moving. And so in order for us to get the best results and the quickest results, what we need to do is have a program of adjustments where they build one on top of the other, on top of the other. And as the weeks go forwards, we'll see this 24 to 48 hours. We'll go to 48 to 96 hours, and it'll go to a week. And that means, Rob, as we go forwards, as your body begins to learn this new pattern and hold its adjustments, you'll need to see me much less. Does that make sense? Now, to help along this, there'll also be a series of, and then I would go into that too. So I'm going to be drawing pictures to show this as well. You might have pre and post that you go over there too. We want to make sure that they see that we are customizing the plan for them.